What are you doing? 4 clear words on paper. But say it fast, the way natives actually do, and it turns into something like, "Whatcha doing?" Almost one single sound. If that's ever confused you, here's exactly why it happens, and how to finally hear it clearly. This isn't sloppy speech. It's a predictable pattern called linking. When one word ends in a sound similar to the next word's start, native speakers glide them together automatically without even noticing. What are becomes what are. You doing becomes you doing. It's not random. It happens the same way every time in fluent speech. This is the before state. Your ear hearing one long blended sound with no clear starting or stopping points. Even though you know all 4 words individually, the blended version doesn't match anything you were taught to listen for. Here's how you train your ear to catch these blends instead of getting lost in them. Step 1. Learn the specific linking patterns, not just the concept. What are, you doing, you doing. Learning the actual blended sound directly, not just the rule, is what lets you recognize it instantly next time you hear it. Step 2. Say the blended version out loud yourself. Practicing "whatcha doing" with your own mouth trains your ear to expect it, because producing a sound makes your brain far quicker at recognizing it in someone else's speech. Step 3. Listen for the same phrase across different speakers. Once you notice "whatcha doing" from one native speaker, listen for the same blend from others. The pattern repeats consistently, and each repetition locks it in further. This is the after, the same fast, blended phrase. But now your ear catches all 4 words instantly, linked together exactly the way natives actually say them. Try this today. Say, "What are you doing?" fast, letting the words blend naturally. "Whatcha doing?" 5 times out loud. That's how you train your ear for the real thing. If this helped, subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.